G'day, my name's Gav Kelso from Spartan Carpet Cleaning in Newcastle, and I've done a number of the Corestone Training courses, in particular the AMRT, the WRT, the carpet cleaning and the odour control. And the reason why I did these courses was to upskill my own knowledge and also to test the courses out so I can send staff there. I can confirm that as my business grows, I will be sending staff there. The material's very extensive, the knowledge base is extensive, the instructor knows what he's talking about. Get to take away some really good resources, get an in-depth knowledge base of all the standards in the industry, and get to also put that down, get to embed that with some real practical knowledge there. I think one of the things that I really like about the courses too, the courses are full, and you get to be there with 15, 20 people that have a lot of industry knowledge, and I've made some really good contacts. I look at these training courses with Corestone as a way to keep upskilling what I'm doing and stay current in the field. Anyone that's considering doing some training, highly recommend it, and yeah, all the best.